YouTube, I'm Eris. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my senior portraits. That was so ugly. Anyways, we're going to be unboxing my senior portraits, so without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Before we get into this, actually, I haven't been posting for like the past 2 months, and that is because I wasn't I didn't want to post anything and not have good energy and like not be myself. I was stressed about college and scholarships and some other stuff going on, so I haven't been posting, but I'm going to be getting back to my regular schedule of posting once a week and maybe twice a week sometimes if I'm feeling up to it. So yeah, now let's hop into this video. Alright, so this box is humongous, okay? It's huge. That's not even a full thing, but I just wanted to show you all that. It's really big, right? So first, we got this little enclosed envelope. Look at my pictures! Look at my pictures! Oh wow, that was rude. My pictures! This is so cute. So guys, I messed up though because I only got the pictures with the drape. I only did one pose, and it was the one with the drape. I didn't even get the cap and gown. I didn't get me in my marching band uniform, me in my volleyball uniform, nothing. Nothing. Nothing! I only got the one pose. I'm very mad at myself. This is the black and white one. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I like the pictures. My neck bone, you can see my neck bone. Like, look at it. It's just poking out. It's disgusting. But I think the pictures are pretty cute, actually. And then, the day of, right, I was wearing my mom's necklace. And the necklace snapped on the desk when I tried to get up to go leave and take my picture. I remember this so clearly. I was in statistics class, and I got up to go throw my breakfast away, and the necklace snapped on the desk. And I was so mad because it wasn't even my necklace, it was my mom's necklace. Like, I abused her jewelry. Oh, these are the tiny wallet pictures. My friends have been handing out theirs to their friends and like to teachers and stuff. Yeah, this is so cute. My friend gave me one of hers, and I don't know where I put it. I think I put it in my book bag, but I don't know. I'm gonna find it though. I will. I'm gonna find it. But these are little wallet pictures. The glare. Oh, there y'all go. Look, they're so cute. It's literally the same pictures over and over. I don't know why I keep showing y'all. And then we got the extra proofs. The glare. Yay. I'm so excited. I have to give some to my grandmother, my uncle. Everybody's getting some. Okay, so that was that. Oh, and there's this. Little keychain. I think it fell out, but yeah. Little key. I thought it was a combination lock. I don't know, but like there's no key at the bottom. It's just a screw. So I don't know what. I don't know. Maybe just put it on your key. I don't know. It's going on my keychain. So yeah. All right. So that was that. Let me put this stuff back. So I don't get messed up, you know? Okay, and so next, we have this. So I think this is where the extra proofs go. I think they go in this. So my parents can set it up and have it in their house. Cause like I've been to other people's houses and they have their setup. Like my best friend, she has her setup, and like my brother's best friend has his setup. Well, his brother's my brother's best friend's brother, the brother of the best friend of my brother. I don't know how to say that. My brother's best friend's brother, yes, has his setup too, and they look so nice. I have to set mine up, but we're gonna do that at the end of this video, like, cause I don't want to mess up the picture. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end, maybe. And then we have the big dogs. Or should I do the small ones first? Because there's the big ones, and then there are small ones. I'm gonna show you some. I mean the big ones first. I sound like a chicken. Oh my gosh. What does this say on the back? Eris, Owen, and then there's a number. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. This is so cute. And then a number. I'm so happy right now. So cute. And then we got three small ones. Oh my gosh. Like, my smile, I feel like I have a good smile. It's just like, my teeth ain't straight. That's the thing. That's the only problem. Okay, and now we have the final item. You don't want the plastic. Oh wow, it's sliding out. That's not okay. Okay. So there's a marker, and there's a big poster of me, of my face. This is crazy. And then there's another one that has my full name on it. Y'all are not gonna see my face. But oh, y'all kind of saw it, but it's okay. Ah! 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 So I'm gonna definitely have, like, if I have a graduation party, like, well, I might have a graduation party. I don't know yet. But if I have a graduation party and all my friends are there, they're signing that poster. And it's going somewhere. It can't go up there, but it'll go somewhere. I might take one of these pictures now. But it'll go somewhere. But yeah. So I think that's it. I think that's everything. I think that is everything. Y'all, I can't wait to set this up and show y'all what it looks like. If y'all seen your portraits, was it like, I don't know, how did y'all's go? Because mine was so fast. And I think think it's only because I only took one picture. Like, I'm really mad at myself for doing that to myself. Guys, this unboxing was kind of fun. Like, yeah, it was kind of fun. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So that is all that I have. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I gotta start over. Okay.